Okay, it's me again, Rick Ayaay, your Ansay the Vlogger, your animal scientist. Tararan! See, kumukulo na yung aroma ng red onions, yung tomatoes, lumabas na yung natural aroma. So now, what is next? Yung ating rabong. See, ito yung ating rabong, napakadami. Nalagay na natin. Wow! Guys, yan ang ating rabong. Dinengdeng rabong with saluyot, fried samaral na isda. Sarap nito. The best ito. Very delicious, nutritious na dinner for tonight. Yan guys, oh. Dami ano. Fresh na fresh. Yan yung ating labong. Okay, so ganyan lang, pakukuluan lang natin yan, then they're ready to go na yan. Ang pinakahuli yung ating saluyot. Oo, kasi yung saluyot ipa-blanch lang natin yan, yun na yun. There you are. So iniwan ko to yung pinakadulo. Mas napakasarap niyan. Sa ibabaw na lang ano, yan. So pa ba? Siyempre, lalagyan na natin ng bagoong tining. Yun. Bagoong tining. Mixture ng sabaw. There you are. So, okay na to. The best to guys. Ayan, oh. Yan yung ating dinengdeng labong. Okay, so takpan na natin, pakuluan lang natin, ano. Tapos, after that, syempre, may kasamang coffee tayo. So, coffee muna habang pinapakuluan. Yan, coffee is light. There you go. Balikan natin pagka kumukulo na siya. Then, ready to go.